I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
Hey everybody, the professor here. In this video that you're about to see, you're going to see me do this fish here, lionfish. I got this offline. It's a picture that I went by, kind of, or tried to go by. What I did was, because it's hard for me to print, and put that over there, to print, sorry, not to print, to paint. I usually sit back in my chair and I grab something and I paint it. And of course, I use my brushes and I use these paint markers a lot. And because I do sit back and paint, it's hard for me to for instance, if I was working on painting this here, it would be hard for me to show you exactly. I could do that, but then it's hard for me to get in where I have to get in and see. You can't see that spot. So what this video is going to do is there's going to be a show me how the print started, and then it's going to show the starting and the priming, the painting, and all that. And it's going to be a little slideshow of the progress of the painting. It's the best I can do. I want to make it as easy as possible, not bore the heck out of you. So this is the way I'm going to do it. And then it'll finish off at the very end after I give my grand finale part where I say goodbye. There'll be a little few pictures of finally done and in the cabinet. So I hope you stick around for that, and hope I didn't bore you. But if you really like these videos of these fish and lionfish, which is my favorite, I really, really love the lionfish. So I'm hoping you'll stick by. And before we even start, if you like the video, please subscribe. Please, chat, put something up there, comment. I'm not the greatest painter. This channel doesn't show doing it shows you how I do it. You guys can paint better than me, which is great. And I'd love to see that kind of stuff too. And, subscribe, and then maybe I'll get to know you a bit, and maybe we can pass stuff back and forth and collaborate. I've already done that word. I can't say that word. I was in a coma, like I said in a few videos, and some of the words, just if I sit there and do it for a while. Anyway, don't want to bore you. Get on with the video.
Professor Vinster here. Now, you've seen me do this lionfish. So this is a different kind. I found out there's like 6 or 8. I think there's 8 different kinds of lionfish. But this is the one that I really, really like. And don't ever ask me to pronounce the name, but if you go look up the different species and different types and their names, that's how you'll know. But I've got all the fins all ready to go, and they snap on. And this guy actually comes apart. The head comes off, the body comes off, and the base. So you got the base and, of course, the body. And they pop into the spot that they belong in, like that. And that's really, really cool. So anyway, that's a new one. Don't mistake it with the other one, but probably will.
All right. So that's the first part of the painting, which is this beigey color. And I'm going to put it all over the whole fish, the whole lionfish. And that'll be my first kind of like a base coat. I actually primed it before with this white primer that we have the brush on. So here we go. So we've almost got him all covered. He's covered now. Now I started I didn't start the stripes, but there they are, the stripes. And I wanted to make him look like he was just hand painted, because that's the way they look like in real life. So we got him this far, and then I'm putting the black and the white in there to color him up a bit. And now there's white in between, drawn in, and actually I used the one of the paint markers to help me do that job. And if you look, the eyes, I painted a silvery color that I actually made. The eyes look kind of like glass. So he does look like he's hand painted, but the fish in real life, if you go look at pictures online, you'll see that. Oh, here's the mount, and the mount I thought would be darker and wouldn't take away from his bright colors. So I did the mount darker, and I made the brown look like actually wood and the gravel. There's the better shot of it there, and there he is there. There's the back shot. That's the back side. There's the front. Like I said, he looks hand painted. So there you are so far. Okay, the professor back at you, right behind here. The lionfish. I actually finished the clear coat on it, and to me it looks great. It's just one coat, and I think that's where I'm going to leave it. One coat, I think, did the job. I let it sit overnight. There's the, I consider that the back. I would have put it on my turntable, but I thought this is easier to actually show you the tops, the way it looks from the top, the side. And like I said before in the video, the eyes look like they're made out of glass because I actually painted them with a special silver that actually looks like chrome first to start, and then put a little bit of white in them. So this is supposed to be, of course, a lionfish, which is supposed to be a invasive fish in some places. They do spearfishing. People do eat these. I just think it's one of my favorite. If it's invasive, it sure is one pretty fish. And watching them when they're in action is really, really cool. Like I said, one of my favorite fish. And I finally got a good print of it, and I got it online. I actually paid for it, so that's I can't remember what it cost, but it's a really cool print. I have another one that I showed at the beginning of the video, and like I said at the beginning of the video, it's actually, I think there's 8 different species of this, which is really, really, really neat. And hey, who knows? Maybe the guy that designed this online, I think I got it on Pulse 3D online. He would make a few different kinds of species, and it goes together really well. If you've seen the way they put it together, I love it. It's so shiny, so cool. So there you go. And thanks for stopping by. And I told you I'd get to it and paint it. A lot of projects I have, to get at, but bear with me. And if you've seen a project that I've been working on and you want me to finish it and you're looking forward to it, let me know. Remind me, because I've got so many of them on the shelves that I want to get at. But if somebody has a, kind of like, hey, get that done, man, I'd love to see it. Go ahead, send me a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please do. I mean, they say subscribes don't mean much, but I love the idea of people actually subscribing. It means they like what they see. And I know at my age, subscribing means quite a bit. And if you could, please, and like and comment. So there you go. The lionfish. Take care. See you on the next video.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.